Guys, bali update tayo for today sa ating mga ibon guys, for the video guys, bali ito yung mga inakay na nasa itaas, tapos ito yung mga matured guys. Ito pala inano ko muna, inalis ko muna dito, pares niya yan kumbaga inano ko muna, pagpapahinga muna natin. Tapos ito yung dalawa doon is back to back split sa ino na yellow ball at back to back far blue. Yan. Tapos ito guys yung nasa taas blue opa and naka-possible sa pale follow. Itong partner niya naman is ang partner niya is split opa, split ino, possible pale. Tapos ito naman is yellow bull opaline, split sa ino, tapos nakalutino hen. And then yung side is back to back opaline na naka-split sa pale follow. Bali ginawa ko pala yung nandito na yellow bull kasi may nag-out, may bumili, in-out na natin. Tapos ibinigay na natin pala. Tapos nilagay ko lahat ng yung inakay isa lang naman. Tapos yung dito yung anak ng neto, anak neto, anak neto. Nandito kasi yan, partner niyan is yung nasa baba, albino. Yan, tapos ang ginawa ko, ito kasi pinagpares ko na yung dalawa, saka pa is hen and cock. Tapos ito naman yellow bull ino, yellow bull opaline ino, tapos sa albino hen. Pinagpares na natin yung mga yan para lahat ng magiging anak nila is ito yellow bull posino at yellow bull opa posino at lutino opa. Yan. Sa taas naman ganun pa din naman, sila pa rin naman pares. Yan. Isang far blue, tapos isang far blue opaline na nakapost sa pale. Tapos ito din is yung green new wing natin is split din sa pale. Pero ano yan ang parents niyan is lutino yung magulang, lutino tapos split pale, kaya nakapost din lahat yan sila guys. Baka by this month meron na silang mga egg. Check tayo guys, update tayo sa mga yan. Tingnan natin yung mga ito guys, yung mga gustong mag split ino, split pale, ay split pale tapos split ino din, meron din yan. Ito is back to back back to back tawag dito. Ito yung tata, ito yung lalaki dyan. Yan, ito yung magkapatid na parehas kak talaga yan pag kasi split pale na yan, ay split opa, split ino talaga sure. Ito naman na to, lutino opa hen. And guys, tinan mo fight yung tinan mo yung pakpak nyo. Dati dilaw lang yan kasi yung naging fight. So ito yung mga inakay natin guys, anak ng neto. May inakay na rin yan sinama ko sinalang ko na lahat. Tingnan natin mamaya, huwag na natin patagalin pa, i-check na natin ang ating mga nest box. Let's go. So guys, bali ayan sila guys, yung pares na natin guys. Isang albino, ayan, and opa. Ito yung quality yan guys. Pati sure na sure. Ito bago pa lang yan bago pa lang. At ito din, bagong salang natin.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah.
Tapos
Walk
ito,
around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah.
silipin natin
It's
siya.
just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity with
Yan.
98.
Bali,
Mr.
ito
He be
guys.
good. On the ball like BB, don't make no
Ito,
mistakes.
anak
Got
niya
the
na,
frame.
ano,
The 18 just not gonna be the same.
anak yan ng nasa taas. At lalaki yan, split open na yan. Split open, split ino. Tapos ito din. Di ko, basta kung sino yung hindi mag-opa dyan. Kaya tayong green. Wala tayong ano, kabuena sa pag red eye. Yan, yung isa dyan is ano, sa albino. Tapos split opa. Yan na lang natin. Lipag yan. Lipag ko nga din.
Something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
Ano natin guys, oh. Yung mga good breeder natin. Ito yung pinakauna nating ano, large breeder. Ito, yung green new wing. Kasi ito anak na lang yan. Ito yung kasunod na pare. So ay Latino, tapos isang opaline na yellow bone na split na. Wala pa to kasi bago pa lang ito mga ito. Okay, sabi ko kasi silang ilan pinrate. Daw pa daw. Tingin tayo dito sa taas. Dito. Yung po na pala to kasi hindi naman ito nag-ilim. Wala yan naman. Nakaraan pa to eh. Hindi ko lang natanggal. Yan. Yan, mag-iitlog na ulit yan. Oh.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah.
Lapin.
Now I'm thinking
Kakalagay ko lang. Mga kabayan nila yung lahat. Kaya, if tayo nag-buy mo na lang sila lahat.
myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I try
kabila. Check natin.
June blows, yeah, I got the June blows, yeah. Walk around like
Check natin to.
breaking news, got me breaking. I was praying.
Hindi pa napasok yung sobrang init din kasi. Ito naman ang status nito. Same lang din mga to. Dalawang makulit ko. Ay, lagi nakaano yung mga. Yun lang yung update natin sa ating mga ibon guys. Kalimutang mag-like at mag-comment at mag-subscribe para lagi kayo updated. Ito yung natin magiging future breeder guys. Yun yung splay ligo. Yan. Ito laging bida to yun. Lagi yung bida eh. Yun lang ang ating update sa ating mga ibon guys. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-like, comment at mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa ating video. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.
I won't look back.